Good morning, students. Let's learn civics. We'll continue with lesson number 2, Preamble to the Constitution, page number 68. So, now we have learned what is sovereign state, socialist, secular, and democratic. Today, we'll learn what is a republic. Open your books to page number 69. Now, republic. What does republic mean? It means that in the republic country, the people are elected by the people, and we celebrate Republic Day, that is on 26th January. No public position is occupied or no person can be appointed on the basis of heredity. That is, the father was holding that post, so the son is going to hold. No, it's not like that. Like president, prime minister, governor, chief minister, mayor, serpent, they all are public positions and they are holding that position only after getting elected by the people. That is, we elect them. Any Indian citizen who is of that age, above that age, that is above 18 years, 21 years, now above 18 years you can go and elect, and those who have completed the age criteria, they can be elected for this position. Like in a monarchy, that is in the king's rule, the people, they get the appointment or they can get occupied by the members of a single family, like the position, a king, then his son is going to be the next king, that is the prince will become the king. So this is the way in a monarchy, but in republic it's not like that. And the preamble has guaranteed this to all the citizens. Now we'll see, the preamble has also guaranteed three values of justice. Three values of justice, liberty, and equality. That is, we as a citizen of our country, that is of India, we can benefit and we can enjoy the rights and the rules of our country. So let's see the first one. The first one is justice. Justice means to remove injustice and ensuring that everybody has the opportunity for progress. So everybody can give the exams, or they can appear for the exams, or they can uh, apply for any job, for anything. Even if there is some problem, they'll get justice. It is not denied uh, relating to any caste or creed. And establishing justice is adopting such policies, and it will promote good, that is good relation with the people. So today we are going to see three values of justice, liberty, and equality. In that we'll see only justice. So in justice, now justice, I just now mentioned that there is removal of injustice, and in this justice we will see there are three more parts. That is, three types of justice are there. First is social justice. Social justice means in a society there is no discrimination on the basis of creed, caste, race, language, religion, place of birth, or sex. Everybody has the right and the same dignity to live and respect. Everybody gets the same respect and same status. Nobody is denied on the basis of their birth also, or sex, or caste. Second is economic justice. Here, poverty leads to the evils of hunger deaths, or malnourishment. If poverty is to be eradicated, everybody should have the right to a source of livelihood. That is, everybody has a right to get good job, dignity of labor. He can apply for any job based on his education or based on the given criteria, and nobody can deny him the job. Nobody can deny a person job. So that is also economic justice. And to eradicate poverty, jobs are given to the people. And the third is the political justice. Now here, political justice is universal adult franchise to enable equal participation in the running of the country. Like everybody can vote, like that is, accordingly all citizens completing 18 years of age have the right to vote in the elections. Here again, there is no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, language, place of birth. Yes, only thing, if you should belong to that part of the place. Suppose you are in Karad, you have right to vote in Karad area. You can't go and vote in other places, like you can't go and vote in Pune and all, but you have to come to Karad to vote for the elections where your name is there, or where you are according to the voters list, where your name is, in which place your name is there, in that place you have to come. Only that thing is there. Otherwise you are free to vote anybody, and you are free to vote, anybody is free to vote or take part in the politics, that is political justice. So students, these are the three types of justice. One is social, second is economic, and third is political. And on the basis of this, the republic is running smoothly, and this helps the people, that is individual people, to have freedom and to progress. And because of this, if you see, if anything happens in the country, if anything happens in your surrounding area, you can easily go and approach for the justice on the basis of social, economic, or political. Like suppose there is a fight, then you can immediately go to the police station, or you can ask for justice. Then if there is no job, you can ask for a job, you can go and ask for enrollment, and then you can enroll yourself. And the third is political justice. You can stand, you can get elected, or you can be a leader if you have the political qualities. So students, read the lesson till here and write the new words. We'll see the second part, that is liberty, equality, and fraternity, in the next period. Thank you.